Wanted to give you guys a little update. Brett Patrick here, Gutter Cleaner U. Things have changed, so you want to stay tuned to figure out what's going on. So check it out, man. Out here in Houston, Texas, working for a roofing company. Things have changed. I'm getting out of the gutter cleaning space. I actually sold my business off a little over a week ago to my boy Devin, the guys who've been helping me out a little bit. So I have relocated to the great state of Houston. My wife and family will be coming out in a month and a half or so. It just so happened that my first day on the job, Hurricane Beryl hits, and life has been a little bit hectic. So if you haven't seen me post in a while, that is why. I have been kind of planning and scheming on this plot for quite some time. As I'm sure you guys know if you've been following me, me and my wife used to live in Houston, Texas for a short stint prior to finding out that we were pregnant with our beautiful baby girl. Now that we are, you know, seasoned parents here with a 15-month-old, we decided to make the trek back out to the great state of Texas. And I'm going back into the roofing space where I have many years of experience. It's just a very relatable, easy transition from the gutter space. If you guys are in the space, you know that there is money to be made in the roofing space. I am saying the word space a lot, so let me stop saying that. So anyways, gutters are no more. I'm into roofing, so some of my content that you'll see moving forward may be geared just a little bit towards storm restoration, selling roofs, knocking doors, climbing them, all those types of things. I obviously will still, you know, have discussions and talk about the gutter world because it will still be relevant and you know, part of what I do on a daily basis. But just to catch you guys up to speed, Houston, Texas, roofing sales manager, and yeah, let's see where it goes. Keep them clean.